a cure-all for making hair fuller, both for individuals like you that want to make their hair fuller in a healthy way, and also for hair professionals that want to offer a way to make their clients' hair fuller, but that is a cure-all for anybody with any situation. So what I mean by cure-all, it means one method, one, that works on anybody. Any hair texture, any type of hair, any type of hair problem. Any type of hair problem means I just need fullness in the bang. I just need fullness in the hairline. I just need fullness in the background. I just need fullness in the front. I just need fullness on the top. I just need it in the top and some on the sides. I need it all over my head. I'm just 10% thin. I just have baby hair and I want to make it a little more fuller in a subtle way. My hair is very thin and I just want to make it moderately full. My hair is very thin or moderately thin and I want to have a full head of hair. I want to have more length. I want to add hair all over. I'm completely bald. I need to fill in a completely bald area. My whole head is completely bald. I only have a bald spot in one area. I'm only bald in the front hairline. I went through all of that to emphasize what I mean by any. Any means any individual with any hair situation, any problem. There's now one method that solves any hair problem. And this is for, and I'm speaking to you as an individual, if you have a hair loss problem or thinning problem. And I'm also speaking to hair professionals to offer this technology to your clients to make it more available to your clients. Micro strand invention. This is custom made, then one hair at a time is added onto this, that becomes this, and these are blended in between your client's hair, and they wake up every day with their own fuller head of hair. So please remember, now there's a cure-all. A cure-all means one method that works on anybody. So it's very important to understand. If you're an individual and you want to find out more detail, press the button below. You'll find out more detail, and you can even schedule your own phone or video call to find out your options. If you're a hair professional, click the button below and you're gonna get a free website that has a video in it that can educate your clients all about this technology, okay? And you'll get free training with it. And the reason why, to make is this technology more available to more people worldwide. So if you're a hair professional, you click the button below and you're gonna get a free website with free training. And if you're an individual, click the button below to find out your details, to find out all the details and all your options.